Howdy folks, here I have this Bobcat S250. Pretty nice looking skid steer. It's got about 3,000 hours on it. It has a Kubota. Nice running engine. It started easily for us today. Pretty good looking tires. No bucket with this one. It does have hydraulic quick connect. These tilt cylinders were recently repacked. It does come with seal kits for the lift cylinders. Got your hydraulics. The lift cylinders look like they're not too leaky. They still look like they're doing pretty good. As you can see, this machine has 3,013 hours. As you can see, this machine has 3,013 hours. There's the hydraulics for the quick attach. That seems to work good. Okay, foot controls on this machine. Goes up and down, no problem. Tilt's good. I'll track it around here for you. Seems to track nice and straight. Let's do a left turn, right turn. Up nice. Hydraulics feel good, nice and fast. Alrighty folks, if you're after a skid steer, this one will be selling November 16th at smithsalesco.com. Thanks for watching.